Okay, for some reason, I'm really excited about how to track your analytics for your social media strategy in 2023 with the new Meta Business Suite because it is working. So normally if you go on your Facebook business page, on the left here, you will see it says Insights. So if you click on Insights, you will get just an overview of how your page is doing. So you could see here post reach, engagement, and so on for the last 28 days. You cannot edit the time frame. You can click see details, and that gives you like a quick look. If you're in a hurry, once a month, just take a screenshot of that and see where you're at. If you look on the left, you can have information on your posts. So here you can edit last month, last 7 days, or last 90 days, or you can go by date, and then you can see your reach, engagement, and so on. So see what posts are performing the best. And here's information on your audience. But what's even better is to click on Meta Business Suite. So I will go here. See, it says platform tools on the left. So click on Meta Business Suite. And in Meta, you are now allowed to see all the information under Insights. So Heather teaches like how to set up Meta in the Facebook course, but from here, this is really interesting because you can go more in details, and then there's a really nice overview. So if you go here, it gives me the last 28 days. If you want to put, for example, last 90 days, or I would say like last month, and do this once a month, but it gives you an overview of your reach and your paid reach as well. You can compare to with your ads manager how much money you spend. So you have your results. This is your overview. You can have like your little reports and stuff. Reports normally are not necessarily that good, but what I like to go is you can dive a little bit more in depth for your audience. But what I really like to look at is the type of content. And here you can see the type, see how it says ads, posts, and stories. So you can really see what resonated the best with your audience in the last 90 days. So you can see stories, you can see reels, the amount of reach, the amount of reaction. So how many times did people lift their hand and took action? Here, if you have an ad, you'll see the number, it's changed, and it's way bigger. You have a way bigger reach because it was advertised. So you can kind of go like that and really learn from what kind of content resonated the most with your audience, and then you can learn from that and adjust your strategy for the month to come. Hope this helps. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and let me know if you have any question or comments.